Shia LaBeouf, Hollywood's wild child turned critical darling. From his meteoric rise in Transformers to his shocking controversies and inspiring redemption, his story is anything but ordinary. Let's dive into the highs, lows, and the truths behind his unconventional journey. Born in 1986 in Los Angeles, Shia had anything but a typical childhood. Raised by artistically inclined yet struggling parents, he began performing comedy at just 10 years old to help support his family. By 14, he'd landed his breakout role in Disney's Even Stevens showcasing his comedic talent and earning a Daytime Emmy. But little did the world know, this was just the beginning. Shia became a household name with his role as Sam Witwicky in Michael Bay's Transformers franchise. This blockbuster film turned him into one of the most bankable young stars of the late 2000s. But as his fame grew, so did his resistance to Hollywood's norms. Shia took bold creative risks, starring in indie films, Nymphomaniac, Honey Boy. The latter, an autobiographical masterpiece that earned critical acclaim for its raw portrayal of his tumultuous relationship with his father. Despite his artistic successes, Shia's career was marred by controversy. From public altercations and DUI charges to the lawsuit filed by his ex-girlfriend FKA Twigs for alleged abuse, his personal life became tabloid fodder. These incidents nearly derailed his career, forcing him to step back and focus on rehabilitation. His open acknowledgement of his past behavior, including an appearance on John Bernthal's Real Ones podcast, highlighted his journey toward accountability and personal growth, current life, and redemption. Today, Shia is focused on his family life with actress Mia Goth and their young daughter. Professionally, his career is witnessing a resurgence, with critics praising his performances in films like The Peanut Butter Falcon He's also embraced performance art projects that showcase his creative depth, like the provocative "He Will Not Divide Us" campaign. From the dizzying heights of fame to the depths of personal turmoils, Shia LaBeouf's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It's love him or hate him. There's no denying that his journey continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Who's next on your celebrity watch list? Let us know in the comments.